Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhni's World. Today I am gonna show you super simple breakfast recipe called Potato Poha. This Potato Poha is rich in carbohydrates as well as some proteins, which in turn converts into much needed energy to fuel our body in the mornings. So let's not waste any more time and start our day. Friends, this potato poha can be made in no time in our busy mornings if we keep our potatoes boiled and ready. So do try this body fueling breakfast recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.